Today we're going to be making Rice Krispie squares. And it's super easy because it just needs 3 ingredients. What you need is coconut oil. If you don't have it, use butter. Rice Krispie square cereal, then a big cloud of marshmallows. Okay, now we are going to make the Rice Krispie squares. And you guys are going to come along. And I have a special guest, my brother Nathan.
Hey guys, my name's Nathan. I'm doing the heavy lifting.
Okay guys, now we need
6 cups of
Rice Krispies! Okay guys, now we need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or butter. Okay, now we're gonna put some coconut oil on here so it doesn't stick. Okay guys, now we have to cook the marshmallows, and we need 4D marshmallows, and we have to put them in there, then cook them all up with the coconut oil until they are like goopy, like water. Okay guys, now we have to put this on high, and then we have to dump these in. This part you have to be careful even when you're putting the marshmallows in too, because it's very hot. The stove is very hot. And if you're not allowed to do it, ask a grown-up. It's turning into goopness. Now we have to put in this whole bowl of Rice Krispies cereal, and you need 6 cups of it. Okay, now I need all spatula, however you want to call it. Be careful, crack out. I don't like that. Looks like milk. Careful with this pot too.
Should add a little bit more.
Or what?
Oh no. Rice Krispies?
Yeah, and maybe marshmallows too. This is good. Very stiff. And I think we need to add some more marshmallows. Now I have to put on. Adding it down. Looks like a cake. Rice Krispie cake.
Do it. Go ahead, cook. Give it to this.
Now I'm making it flat. Okay guys, now it's ready to eat and it's all done. Okay guys, so we made Rice Krispie squares now, and goodbye!
Like and subscribe for more videos.